पोखरण ही था जहां सन 1974 में भगवान बुद्ध मुस्कुराए थे और भारत के द्वार परमाणु तकनीक के लिए खुल गए। पोखरण रेंज भारतीय वायुसेना की सबसे बड़ी हवा से जमीनी हथियारों की रेंज है। यहाँ कई स्क्वाड्रन भारी आयुध का प्रशिक्षण प्राप्त करने आते हैं। एक्सरसाइज वायु शक्ति का प्रमुख उद्देश्य अपनी वायु शक्ति का प्रदर्शन, वायु शस्त्रों को प्रयोग में लाना तथा संक्रियात्मक मिशनों की योजना कर उन्हें पूर्ण करना है।
A firepower demonstration also serves as a major training ground for planning and execution of large-scale operational missions. Managing the exercise schedule and flight coordination of the multitude of aircraft that you will see today requires care in handling and implicit discipline of planning and execution. The classroom is no substitute for actual execution of missions with live weapons. Handling live weapons requires expertise, discipline, and confidence on the part of our aircrew and technicians. Hundreds of personnel have been involved in supporting this exercise. These include technicians, air traffic controllers, radar controllers, administrators, and the personnel of the military engineering services. The aircraft that you're going to see today are operating from various bases across the country.
Your Excellency, Madam President, ladies and gentlemen, the Indian Air Force proudly presents Vayu Shakti 2010, an aerial firepower demonstration under a simulated combat scenario covering daytime, dusk and post-dusk flying conditions. A unique first of any aerial firepower demonstration ever thus attempted. The Indian Air Force is fiercely proud of the skills of its youthful aviators, comparable to and in fact often superior to those of many of its competing aviators on the international stage. These skills will be on display before you today. Combat aviation skills are the product of long and arduous flying training, practice and dedication. Pilots and supporting elements are honed to function with computer-like precision and efficiency from the moment the aircraft is ready for a sortie to its takeoff, performing its mission and subsequent return. The Indian Air Force epitomizes all that is best in its variegated national human resource in the service of the defense of the Indian nation. The performance by the Indian Air Force that you are about to witness represents the end result of many days and hours of pre-flight conceptualizing, planning and concerted teamwork spread over very extended periods of time and effort by conducting safety and administrative staff officers, ground and maintenance crews, air and flight crews and the dedicated communications personnel, all acting in unison to make this awesome technological demonstrator both instructive and impressive with regard to the Indian Air Force's ability to achieve rapid dominance in any future combat situation. Stealth, speed, and shock and awe are the defining parameters of any such undertaking. This demonstration will showcase the impressive and awesome might that the Indian Air Force has at its disposal. From aerial combat capability to ground support capability that can be and often is a battle-winning factor, decimating any opposition with its celestial thunderbolts. Intertwined always is its humanitarian role of transport, relief and succor from the air. It is also a repository of all that is best in the Indian people and the tradition of the Indian Armed Forces. Your Excellency, Madam President, ladies and gentlemen, we proudly present the Indian Air Force in Vayu Shakti 2010, a synchronization of man, machine and muscle.